This is the second example of the quadratic formula we're going to look at. In this example we have positive and negative values. So the first thing to do, as before, is to work out the values of a, b and c. Now if we look at our quadratic equation, the coefficient of x squared is 2, so we write that down. The coefficient of x is negative 3. And finally the last number is a negative 5. Once we have these numbers, we can go on and substitute them into the quadratic formula. So the negative b at the front this time becomes negative 3, which you write as a positive 3. It's important to get this right. The b squared becomes negative 3 squared. We have take away, open your brackets up, and then it's 4 times a times c. In this case that's 4 times 2 times negative 5. That's all over 2 times a, which is 2. Okay, next what we do is you work out the negative 3 squared. Let's put the 3 down here. But negative 3 squared is negative 3 times negative 3, which is 9. Take away, and then work out the bracket part. Now that's 4 times 2, which is 8. And 8 multiplied by negative 5 is negative 40. All over 4. So we split it into two parts. So we have to do 3 plus the square root of this, and then 3 take away the square root of this all over 4. Now this is very important as well. 9 subtract negative 40 becomes 9 plus 40. So that actually ends up as 49. So 3 plus the square root of 49 over 4, or 3 subtract the square root of 49 over 4. In the quadratic formula, at this level you should never end up with a negative under the square root sign. You cannot square root a negative and you've made an error at that point, and I would start again. Okay, so typing this into a calculator, again, use the brackets and divide by 4, or else work out the top line, hit equals, then divide by 4 to get your correct answer. And the first one comes to 2.5 and the second one comes to negative 1. These are the points where the quadratic crosses the x-axis for 4 marks.